In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover forgotten Quotex password. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to request a password reset safely and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Quotex login page at qxbroker.com, specifically the English sign-in page. It should display the standard login form with fields for email and password. If you're on mobile, this works the same way in your phone's browser. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the legitimate site by checking the web address and the secure lock icon in the address bar. On the login screen, place your cursor in the email field and type the email address you used when you created your Quotex account. Even though you don't remember the password, entering your email here helps ensure the system knows which account you're trying to access. Double check for typos and avoid using any secondary or old addresses that aren't linked to your account. Just below or near the password field, you'll see a link labeled Forgot Your Password. Click that. This will take you to the dedicated password recovery page. The layout may be slightly different, but it's still official and part of the same site. On the password recovery page, you'll be asked to provide your email again. Carefully type the same email address you used on the login screen. Accuracy matters here. One wrong character can prevent the reset email from reaching you. If your browser suggests an autofill, verify that it's the correct active address associated with your Quotex account. Now click the button that says Confirm Email. This submits your reset request. At this point, Quotex will send a message to the email you entered with further instructions. Keep an eye on your inbox, and be sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it within a few minutes. If your mailbox has tabs or filters, search for the sender or for subject lines related to password recovery. When the message arrives, it typically contains a secure link that guides you through creating a new password. For security, these links often expire, so it's best to act promptly once you receive the email. If nothing arrives after a reasonable wait, revisit the recovery page and confirm that you entered the correct email address. Also, make sure you're not signed up through a third-party login, since those credentials are managed elsewhere. For any persistent issues, reach out to Quotex support through their official help channels. That's it. Simple, secure, and quick. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your account recovery.